Question number 7 that I've got today. Tammy is asking, what is sustainable packaging? By the way, the sustainability is a very important topic right now, and any company that you would love to collaborate with, any large wholesaler will ask you a question about sustainability, how sustainable you are, what your plans are to become sustainable, what is your sustainability strategy. They are going to ask it, so you better prepare to give them some answers. Sustainable packaging is biodegradable packaging made out of recycled materials, and reusable packaging. So these three types of packaging. Let's see, what materials are biodegradable and reusable? Organic textile and paper. What materials are reusable but not biodegradable? Synthetic textile. You can use a packaging made out of polyester, for example, but it has to be reusable so that people do not throw it away but use it for ages to come. If you have a packaging like this packaging is considered sustainable because people do not throw it away. It's not wasted instantly. What materials are biodegradable but not reusable? Bioplastic, made out of seaweed, corn, starch, to name a few. There are different variations of bioplastic. I have to say that paper is still a better option for fashion because bioplastic biodegrades fast, and if you do not sell faster than it biodegrades, then what you will end up with is an inventory in dust of your biodegraded packaging, and you don't want to have that. So before you order any new packaging, you have to test how long does this packaging remain intact, how does it interact with your product, because a biodegradable packaging, when talking about fashion, actually when talking about any product, it can influence the quality of your product. It can change the quality of your product. It can change the color of your product. It can change the chemical coating of your product. You have to know for sure, what are the influences of this packaging on your product? And you want to see how does this packaging perform in storage and in shipment. So before you change your packaging to something new, place a small order of this packaging and test it. Once you are completely sure that it works in storage, that it does not change your product, that it works in shipment, after that you can go and order the bulk. Or you can go and change your packaging. If you need help with your fashion business, and if you need support by like-minded fashion brand owners, join 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business. The link to the program is in the description under this video or in my bio on TikTok.